Can trust really be rebuilt after it's broken? How do I start the process of fixing trust when I am the one who caused the hurt? Have you ever broken someone's heart and now you regret it and want to rebuild trust again? We will tell you how this can be done. We will help you overcome this difficulty. Certainly, once trust is broken, it is difficult to rebuild, but it is not impossible. Let's start with how to rebuild trust. 6. Forgive yourself. Forgiving yourself is the first crucial step in rebuilding trust, especially after you've made a mistake that hurts someone you care about. It's about accepting that you're human and that making mistakes is part of life. When you forgive yourself, you acknowledge your errors without letting them define you. For example, imagine a husband who forgets his wedding anniversary. His wife feels neglected and hurt. The husband might initially feel defensive, but to move forward, he needs to forgive himself for the oversight. He admits to himself that forgetting the date was a mistake, not a sign that he doesn't care about his wife. By accepting his mistake, he can genuinely apologize and find ways to make it up to her, showing that he values their relationship. Self-forgiveness isn't about excusing your mistakes, but about understanding and addressing them without excessive self-blame. When you don't forgive yourself, you might dwell on your guilt, which can prevent healing and growth in the relationship. 5. Be honest. Being honest is crucial when you're trying to mend broken trust. It means being transparent about what happened and your feelings. Honesty shows you respect the other person and are serious about fixing the relationship. It's about sharing the truth, even if it's uncomfortable or difficult to admit. For example, consider a wife who has made a significant purchase without discussing it with her husband, straining their financial plans and trust. Instead of hiding the purchase or lying about the cost, the wife needs to come clean. She should tell her husband about the purchase, explain why she felt it was necessary, and acknowledge her mistake in not consulting him first. Honesty allows for an open dialogue where both partners can express their feelings and work through the issue. It's about creating a foundation where trust can start to grow again. Without honesty, there's always a barrier that keeps the relationship from fully healing. The wife, having acknowledged her error, should commit to discussing significant decisions with her husband moving forward. This commitment helps rebuild trust and demonstrates her dedication to transparency in their relationship. By making honesty a habit, the couple can prevent similar issues from arising and strengthen their bond. 4. Show genuine remorse. Showing genuine remorse is about truly feeling and expressing sorrow for the pain you've caused someone else. It goes beyond mere words. It requires actions that demonstrate your understanding of the hurt and your commitment to making things right. For instance, consider a scenario where a wife forgets her husband's birthday, which makes him feel unimportant and neglected. Recognizing her mistake, the wife doesn't just offer a hurried apology. Instead, she takes the time to create a heartfelt apology letter, expressing her remorse and detailing her appreciation for him and all he does for their family. Along with the letter, she organizes a surprise dinner, inviting close friends and family to celebrate, turning her apology into an event that honors him. She also sets reminders for important events in her phone to ensure she doesn't make the same mistake again. It's essential that the person who made the mistake acknowledges the pain caused and takes tangible steps to prevent the situation from recurring. The wife's actions demonstrate a deep understanding of the hurt her forgetfulness caused and a strong commitment to make amends. Her proactive approach not only shows her regret, but also rebuilds the emotional connection and trust between them, proving that she values their relationship and is willing to work to maintain it. This kind of genuine remorse can help heal wounds and strengthen bonds in a relationship. 3. Avoid making excuses. Avoiding making excuses is a critical step in rebuilding trust. When you make excuses, you shift the focus from your responsibility to external factors, undermining the sincerity of your apology and the trust recovery process. Let's imagine a scenario where a husband often comes home late from work without informing his wife. When she expresses her disappointment and concern, he routinely blames traffic or unexpected meetings. Over time, these excuses can erode trust, as they suggest a lack of accountability and make his wife feel undervalued. To truly mend the situation, the husband needs to stop making excuses. Instead of blaming external factors, He should acknowledge that managing expectations and communicating better are his responsibilities. He can begin by admitting, "I should have called you to let you know I was going to be late. I didn't manage my time well today, and I apologize for making you worry." By directly addressing his actions without shifting blame, the husband demonstrates an understanding of the impact of his behavior. This approach shows his wife that he values her feelings and is committed to improving his actions. To further solidify his commitment, he could set up a plan to improve communication, like sending a quick message if he knows he'll be late. 2. Don't rush the process. Rebuilding trust is a delicate process that requires time and patience. It's important not to rush through this process because trust, once broken, needs careful and thoughtful repair. Pressuring the hurt party to forgive quickly or to get over it can be counterproductive, undermining the sincerity of the reconciliation efforts and potentially causing further damage to the relationship. Consider a scenario where a husband has admitted to frequently hiding his spending habits from his wife, which led to financial strain and mistrust. After his confession, he may be eager to move past the issue, hoping to quickly restore normalcy. However, his wife might still feel betrayed and need more time to process her emotions, engage whether his future actions align with his promises of transparency. In this situation, it's crucial for the husband to give his wife the space and time she needs to heal. Instead of insisting that everything is fixed immediately, he should demonstrate his commitment to change through consistent and transparent behavior over time. He could start by openly discussing finances with his wife, involving her in budgeting decisions, and regularly updating her about financial matters. He should also encourage open communication, inviting his wife to express her feelings and concerns as they arise, showing that he respects her need to take things at her own pace. This patience confirms his dedication to rebuilding trust and allows his wife to see his efforts are genuine rather than rushed attempts to simply move past the issue. 1. Accept forgiveness and make lasting changes. Accepting forgiveness and making lasting changes are vital for genuinely mending a broken relationship. When forgiveness is offered, it must be accepted with humility and a commitment to change, ensuring that the mistakes of the past do not repeat. Imagine a scenario where a wife has forgiven her husband for not being emotionally present during a difficult period in her life. Accepting her forgiveness, the husband must recognize this as not just relief from guilt, but as a pledge to be more attentive and supportive in the future. It's an opportunity to transform his behavior permanently. To demonstrate his commitment, the husband could begin by actively participating in daily conversations, asking about her day, her feelings, and her needs. He could also suggest regular date nights to ensure they have quality time together, or join her in activities that she loves, but he has previously shown little interest in. Additionally, setting up a weekly check-in where they both can talk openly about their relationship and any ongoing issues can help maintain transparency and continue building trust. Moreover, the husband should reflect on what led to his previous emotional unavailability and work on those aspects of himself. Whether it means managing his stress better, improving his communication skills, or being more empathetic, these personal improvements are crucial not only for his relationship, but for his personal growth. Accepting forgiveness thus becomes a gateway to deep, meaningful change, not just a moment of reconciliation. It involves a continual effort to grow and adapt, ensuring that the trust restored is nurtured and protected. By making these changes lasting, the husband not only honors his wife's forgiveness, but also strengthens their bond, paving the way for a healthier, more fulfilling relationship. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and guides. Your support helps us create more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated